Welcome to the informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate. Jay here with you guys today, presenting the climatic pulse and forecast of the markets during the past week. But before we get to that, guys, if you enjoy this type of content, make sure you guys like this video. If you wanted to continue to learn about cryptocurrency, sub to our YouTube channel, click on the notification bell so you guys can stay tuned for all our fresh off the press new videos, guys. Briefly going over the fear and greed index, we're currently at around 22 right now, which is extreme fear, guys. Yesterday we were at 20, so we're still a little bit above that, and then last week we were around 24. Still extreme fear, essentially for the past couple of weeks. But the key is that we continue to be above, if we go to the 1 year, just above that 20. Look at that, guys. Look at that support level. It's crazy. All these dots right above 20, man. If that thing dumps down below that, the price of Bitcoin will probably follow. Immediately getting into TA, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this candle today. Red candle, negative candle, bearish candle, in a way, but we do see a buy wick here. We went all the way down in the last 24 hours, all the way down to about $19,100, all the way up to $19,700. So that's a $500-600 move in just under 24 hours. But again, the story of this candle is that we're currently below resistance level, that key resistance level at around 19,538 has been resistance for the past couple of weeks, guys. And on a bigger time frame, which we're gonna go over in the next chart, that continues to be that key resistance. So again, we just have to wait and see. Right now, Bitcoin essentially has been going sideways. A lot of volatility the past couple of days in a way, but in a macro level, we've just Bitcoin has been chilling down here. Look at that, guys, just going sideways essentially. Big horizontal arrow here. We were just waiting to see if we're gonna get that pump or that dump in the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks. Things might get exciting, so again, stay tuned. We're gonna keep you guys up to date. On a weekly note, we continue to be below the 200-week moving average. That's bearish, guys. The more weeks that we spend down here, the more bearish it is overall for Bitcoin and its price. So right now we do have a green candle for the week. It does close on Sunday night, so we have to stay tuned to see how that candle is going to close, if there's going to be more volatility or not. Last week we had a massive buy wick here, a lot of buy pressure around this $1,800 levels. It was a red candle, bearish, negative candle in a way, but this week it's green now, it's bullish. We do have a sell wick here. Again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and we discussed that for the last Crypto Climate show. We had 4 consecutive candles, and up until now we have a 5th consecutive candle where we go above the $19,550 level, and we just wick through. So that level is showing key resistance, man. I don't know if people are paying attention out there, but the charts, they're screaming that this is cryptocurrency's last hope, man. We have to remain above that level for a while, but we're remaining below. We're stuck in this range here. Still, the $18,650 level continues to be support, but man, we have to get above that level, because if not, then the probability starts rising that we're gonna dump further down. With regards to the Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin has been dominating altcoins since September 8th, give or take. So that's a month and a week or two already. So it's been dominant. Right now we're just between this range. We're just ranging, like oil, to then make a decision. Are we gonna dump right back down to retest the 40.40% level, or are we gonna pump up, that 41.89% above that current resistance level, and go to 43.15? So right now that's what we're doing. With the Bitcoin dominance, it's either going to become more dominant and go to the upside, or less dominant and go retest previous support levels. The DXY was the star of the show for the last Crypto Climate episode. We discussed in depth, we watched the daily, weekly, monthly time frames, in-depth analysis about the DXY, the dollar index. If you guys didn't see this video, you can go to our channel and you can come right here, uploads our latest video, DXY, the star of the show. Great video, so you guys should definitely check that out. But yeah, right now basically what we're seeing, we have a local high here, and then we have a lower high, but we have a low and a higher low. So when those things happen, basically it's like we're coiling up, to then make a final decision where we're gonna either pump above, maybe go test that 120.88 level, or we're gonna come back down and retest the 110.90 15 support level. So right now the DXY, you know, in the next couple of days, week or two, next month, you know, is going to have to make a decision. So we're going to definitely keep you guys informed with our Crypto Climate Show. So, you know, again, the top 5 cryptocurrencies, how they've been performing, you know, for the past week. Immediately we start off with Bitcoin, BTC, currently at around $19,300, up 1.51%. Ethereum is at around $1,311, up 2.72%. Number 3, BNB, currently at around $273, up 1%. Number 4, XRP, the scam, currently at around 46 cents, is down 4.60%. And then number 5, Cardano, at around 36 cents, down 8.42%. Then we move on to the best performing assets for the past week. We have Wobi token HT, currently at around $7.83, up 47.61%. Man, the past week, last 7 days, man, must be nice holding that coin. Number 2, Casper. Man, that's sounds like the ghost. Is there a ghost named Casper? I think I might, you know, whatever. It's around 4 cents. Is up about 30% for the week. Number 3, Quantify Your Life, QNT, currently at around $192, almost $200 a pop, up 22.62%. Then number 4, we have Arweave, at about $10 a pop, up 18.28%. And then number 5, we have Synthetics, up 14.61%, about $2.36. Then we move on to the worst performing assets for the past week. We move on to number 1, the scam, Terra Classic USD, the stable coin that's supposed to be worth $1 is currently at 3 pennies, man. Look at that, down 33.87%. What a scam. Then we have number 2, Clayton, currently at around 14 cents, down 17.22%. Then we have number 3, Ethereum POW. You know, that's the proof of work Ethereum, not, you know, the new Ethereum 2.0. It's currently at around about almost $7 a pop, down 12.70%. Number 4, we have Chain XCN at about 6 cents, down 11.76%. And then number 5, you guys already know, Terra Classic, the Moon Coin, the scam, currently at around under a nickel, down 9.51%. So again, today's episode was really all about cryptocurrencies' last hope, which is that, Jay, again, like we discussed, that blue line you see there, that's 19,550 or 70, you know, around, give or take. So $19,570 or $19,550, that area, you know, a couple of extra bucks here and there. That's the key resistance level, guys. Just keep your eyes peeled to that price. If we zoom in, again, this monthly candle, this monthly candle, this monthly candle held that level as support. We wick through here, wick through here. The wick came right down there, support those 3 months. Last month, we had a massive sell wick, and then we pierced through with a wick, and then we closed right below it. This month, it's undecisive yet. So for October, we're currently below, but we have wicks to the upside, wicks to the downside. That means that Bitcoin doesn't know what it's going to do. Is keeping us all right on the edge. So again, if this monthly candle closes below that key $19,550 level, keep your eyes open, man. That's the last hope. We should close above this level if we want to, you know, see bullishness come back into the market. But if we continue closing below this level down here, then we definitely expect further downside with a higher probability, guys. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you guys like this video. Sub to our YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Click on the notification bell to stay tuned, you know, for our brand new videos. Guys, in the description down below, you can find a link to our website, our other social networks, just great tools and resources that you might find valuable, guys. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you guys have a good one.